little mouse. First, draw its body. Now draw its ears. Now draw its nose, a little circle. And its whiskers, short lines. And now draw the mouse tail. Wow! Look how fast your mouse runs!